What's going on today, guys? Today we're going to be working on a 99 24 valve Cummins. Here's going to be new to the channel. We'll be doing some work on it. It's Tanner's truck. I'll do a walk around, let y'all check it out, see what y'all think about it. Comment if you have any thoughts. Pretty nice truck, so we'll get to the video and let y'all check out what we're going to be doing today.
So basically, we just did $1,000 worth of brakes, which is new front rotors, calipers, rebuilt the drums, lines, everything else. And I got it at the shop and I drove it to the house. I went to back out and there was no clutch pedal at all. It would take off in gear, but it would not, I couldn't shift or anything like that. So that told me that the slave cylinder went out. So I went ahead and I went and bought the slave and master pre-filled assembly. You can do just a slave cylinder, but that's really hard and nobody likes to do that because you can't bleed it by yourself and you gotta have someone there with you. But we went and got the whole assembly. I think it was like $170, which honestly ain't bad for me because I don't really care. But here we go, we're gonna install it.
So we got to take, first off, you want to take these two, they're 5/8 is what we got to fit them. So you got to take these two 5/8 off. All right. First one's right there. And there's the second one. Then we have a clip also right there that you got to take off. Once you get that clip off, you can pull that rod back and then you can slide. Slide here. Right here. That's what it's for. It holds this. See, it's loose.
Next, you got two 10mm for the reservoir. You just go ahead and take those off.
I take off right here, that's underneath the dash. Slides right off, so.
Next, I'm gonna take the actual slave cylinder out. It's gonna be two 13s. That's it. Alright, so we've got the old one out on the ground over here. And we went ahead and we went and stuck the slave cylinder back in the transmission and put the bolts back in. And went ahead and stuck the master cylinder through the wall and threaded a bolt. So now we're going back and we're tightening everything up.
Mix shit.
What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna put the clutch rod in the master cylinder. So you're gonna go ahead and it's gonna go in. But once you put it in, you're not gonna be able to take it back out. Well, you can, but you're gonna have to pull it the other way and it's probably gonna bend. So you go ahead and put it in there and you put it on the clutch pedal and put the retainer clip on it and it should be done.
Be nice to me. Alright, so we got it all hooked up. We're going to see if it performs as it's supposed to. Seems to be working. Thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe. Have any questions, comment below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. See y'all in the next video.